Hi friends, welcome to SR Physics Academy. Today we are going to discuss about conversion of decimal to binary, octal and hexadecimal. Based on the radix or base, we can classify it into four categories in number system. One decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system. In decimal number system, base is 10. That means base is 10. There are 9 unique digits, 0 to 9. In this case, 0 we consider as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the base is 10. Second one, binary number system. We already know binary means two numbers 0 and 1. In this case base is 2. That means there are 2 unique digits. Octal number system, the base is 8. That means 0 to 7, 7 unique digit number. Hexadecimal number system, we already know that from decimal number 0 to 9, then adding A, B, C, D, E, F alphabet number. That means here how many total unique digits are there? 15. That means base is 16. In this video, we will learn how to convert. First slide, we will convert any decimal number into binary conversion. This one, decimal means what? What is the base here? 10. Binary means the base is 2. So in this case, we have taken one example, 42. Let's divide this 42 by the factor of 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2, the remainder is 0. Then the quotient will be, we got 21. Then again 21, we divided by the 2, that means 1 2s are 2 and that means 0. Here 10 2s are 20, the remainder we got 1. Again quotient is 10, then again divided by 2, we will get 5 2s are 10, that means no remainder here, so 0. Then again 5, so 2 2s are 4, the remainder is 1. Again divided by 2, so we will get 1 2s are 2, the remainder is 0. Now since the number is less than 2, so we cannot divide it by 2 here, so the last remainder is 1. The last remainder, see here we have taken MCB, most significant bit. Okay, MCB. Next, in this one, upper, we can say that least significant base. So we can say the lower one is MCB and upper one is LSB. So when we are writing that decimal to binary numbers, take from lower to up. That means MSB to LSB. It's clear now? Okay, so please remember, once more I am explaining, when we are writing the numbers, binary numbers, what we will do, we have to take from lower to up. Here what is the answer here? 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is our value. What is the value of that means base of binary conversion? that means 2. Is it clear now? So 42, the base, the decimal of 42, we converted into binary conversion. We got it 101010 base 2. Let's take one more example. 27, then same procedure, 27 divided by the factor of 2. So what we will get here, how many times it will go? 13 into 2, we got 26, the remainder is 1. Then again 2, 6 2s are 12, then again the remainder is 1. So in this case we have quotient is 3, that means then again we can divide 2, 1 2s are 2 1s are 2, then again the remainder is 1. It's clear now? So till last remainder we can done. So again how to write? Low to up, that means 0 to up. So what is answer? 0 is there but no need to write the 0. 1 1 0 1 1. This is our answer. Is it clear now? Now we will learn how to convert any decimal to octal conversion. So in this case, decimal, we know that the base is 10 and octal means the base is 8. So now let's take one more example, 175, how to convert it into octal conversion. In this case, what we have to do, divided by the factor of 8. Okay, last slide what we learned, the divided by 2 because of decimal to binary, what is the base, but in this case binary is 8. So 175. So please remind, here we converted decimal to octal, the base is 8. In this case 8, how many times it will go? 8, 8 2s are 16. 1, so 21 into 8. In this case 21 into 8, what is the remainder here? 7. Then again divided by the 21 is divided by the factor of 8. We will get 8 2s are 16. Then again remainder 5. Then again 8. Then it is an 2. So same only. Okay. 2 5. So again we can write. If you are expert, we can stop it from here. This here only, no problem. 2 5 7. So how we will write it? Lower to up. Yes. The answer is okay. 2 5 7 8. If you are getting means easy to write, means we can stop it here only, no problem. So the answer is, we know that because 2 is small number, the factor what we are dividing 8, so we can write it 2 5 7. It's clear now? Let's take one more example, 64. So 64, what number by the factor of? By 8. So 64 8, 8 8s are 64. So in this case remainder is 0, then again 8. Okay. So in this case 8, how many times it will go? 1. Either we can stop it here only, 1 0 0. So lower to up, 1 0 0. Clear? In these two cases our divided by the, remember, divided by the factor 8 because we are converting decimal to octal. After that dividing, so we will get these values. Let's take decimal to hexadecimal conversion, for example. Hexa means, in this case, what is the value of hexadecimal? That means we know already 16. So 247 divided by 16. So 16, how many times it will go? 154. Then 154, what is the remainder here? 15. So I will tell you how it will have written F. Next again we are dividing 154. So 16, 9 16s are 154. So in this case the remainder is again 10. Okay, 0, 9. So now how we will write it? Okay, 9. Yeah, 9. We already know that 9 is no, we know, 10 we know, in 15 we know. But in this case, we know hexadecimal, we learn our base 0 to 9, after that A to F, is it? So in this case we got it 15. So how we will convert 15 into letters? So before that you should know that truth table. So in this truth table we will write, just to remember that, code 8, okay, 8421. Okay, that is a code. How we are writing the truth table? First 8. 8 means, because here we know that the hexadecimal, how many that base is there? 16. So that 16 divided by 2, that means 8. Again 8 divided by 2, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2. Then we got it. So that's a code we called as 8421 code. In this, how we will remember the truth table? First 8 means we have to write 8 times 0. Then again 8 times 1. Is it clear now? After that, then again 8 divided by 2 means 4. Though again we have to write first 8. Next is 4 times 0. Again 4 times 1, 4 times 0, 4 times 1. Then again 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0, 1, like till end. After that we know that 1 by 1, that means 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 till end. Is it clear? So we have to remember 8 times 0, 8 times 1. Then again 4 times 0, 4 times this we have to write continuous till end 0 to 1. So in this case 0 to 9 already we know that. After that we don't have 10. So we have considered as 10 means A. Okay. Next is B means 11. C 12. 13. 14. So now we know that 15. So in this case 15 means which letter it is suitable here? 15. That means F1. Clear? Next 10 means, till 9 we know that. 10 means A. So there we have written A. The 9 already we know that it is there in our truth table. So we can write it lower to up 9 A F. Is it clear now? So the decimal number 2479 base of 10 we converted into 9AF base 16. So you can try these examples. Thanks for watching.